There are many ways to earn dollars online, but some of the easiest and best 10 ways are online surveys. Many websites pay you to take surveys and share your opinions. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Freelance writing, if you have good writing. You can earn money by writing articles, blog posts, or other types of content for websites or blogs. Some popular freelance writing platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by teaching others online. Some popular online tutoring platforms include Chegg, TutorMe, and VipKid. Selling products online. You can sell products online on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to digital products like ebooks or courses. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services through your website or social media accounts. Some popular affiliate marketing programs include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction. Online freelancing. You can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You can offer services like graphic design, video editing, programming, or digital marketing. Virtual assistant. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant to businesses or individuals who need help with administrative tasks. Some popular platforms for finding virtual assistant jobs include Virtual, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands. Online data entry. You can earn money by doing data entry work online. Some popular data entry websites include Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Microworkers. Online transcription. You can earn money by transcribing audio or video files into text. Some popular transcription platforms include Rev, Transcribe, and GoTranscript. Online teaching. You can teach English or other subjects online to students around the world. Some popular online teaching platforms include Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare. Thanks for watching.